Okay guys, so as you guys know, I went camping in this little car right here that we just bought. And so we parked up in the Sierras underneath pine trees. And so there are tree wax that fell into my wife's car here, and she's not really happy. And right now, because of the heat, it's really gooey. And if you know anything about tree wax, when they get on you, they stick. So in this episode, we are going to be working on removing it nicely and easily. There's also tree wax right here, and we're going to be removing that too. So I have a little secret recipe that I always use on my clothing and on my on body if I come into contact with these tree wax. And this secret recipe comes in the form of, I'll let you know, cooking oil. This is a extra virgin, oh, it's vegetable oil, but it works. Olive oil works exceptionally well, and this also works. So what I do, I put a little bit of a cooking oil here, let it soak the cloth. Okay, this works really well if you have if you get tree wax on your clothing too, so it comes right off. Okay, so I'll show you here. So we have here the oil, the wax here. So put this right here, run it up, and then massage it a little bit. So you can see it's coming off. For some reason, the wax comes real nice, nicely off with oil here, and just needs some massaging, needs some convincing to do. So you can see here, majority of it is off here. So I just need to slowly rub it in without scratching the paint. There. Okay. You know anything about wax, when they get on you, they like to stay. It takes a long time for them to wear off. Okay. There. They are good. So then what my wife's gonna do, she's gonna take this little beauty here, she's gonna go to the car wash and wash it off. Okay, so let's convince this little spot right here to come off. This little spot right here. So let's pour some more oil here. Okay, these are my wife's cooking oil, like I said. Not animal fat or animal oil. See, comes right off. But vegetable oil, and it comes right off. And vegetable oil is pretty much harmless to paint or plastic. Okay, so she's ready to come off. She's ready. So I'm gonna look for some more spots to see if we have wax dripped on my wife's car somewhere. Let me check, double check. Throughout the car, checked, and there's no more wax anywhere. So she's ready to go and wash the car. That's my wife's car, so she's gonna go do that right now. And that's that, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are.